What if your next phone was also your ultimate gaming handheld? Today we're looking at a device that wants to answer that question. The Ayaneo Pocket Play is bringing back a classic phone form factor with a very modern gaming twist. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and putting through its paces the Ayaneo Pocket Play. This isn't just another gaming phone, it's a reimagination of what a mobile gaming device can be, seamlessly integrating a full physical controller into a sleek Android smartphone design. Ayaneo has made a name for itself in the handheld PC space, and now they're stepping into the mobile gaming arena with a distinctive offering that aims to give mobile gamers the tactile feedback they crave. This device is positioned for those who want their daily driver to also be their primary gaming machine without compromising on either. The Ayaneo Pocket Play is designed for a very specific kind of gamer. Someone who appreciates the vast library of Android games but demands the precision and comfort that only physical buttons and joysticks can provide. Unlike clip-on controllers or other gaming phones with integrated but static controls, the Pocket Play features a unique sliding mechanism. This allows it to function as a standard smartphone when you need it, and then transform into a powerful gaming handheld with a full-sized gamepad when it's time to play. It's a bold move, and it aims to bridge the gap between casual touch-based gaming and a more immersive, console-like experience on a mobile platform. Let's talk about the design first. The Pocket Play immediately stands out with its slider mechanism. In its closed state, it looks like a contemporary Android smartphone, albeit a slightly thicker one to accommodate the hidden controls. The build quality feels solid, a common trait we've come to expect from Ayaneo products. The materials used feel premium in hand, offering a good grip that inspires confidence. When you slide the screen up, it reveals a full array of gaming controls, a D-pad, ABXY face buttons, and what appear to be comfortable, responsive joysticks. Early reports suggest these controls offer crisp, light presses and fast response times, which is crucial for competitive gaming. The ergonomics of the device, particularly when the gamepad is extended, seem well considered, allowing fingers to naturally fall onto the buttons. The design effectively hides the bulk of a full gamepad, which is a significant engineering feat. Beyond the physical controls, the Ayaneo Pocket Play will likely feature a vibrant, high refresh rate display, essential for an immersive gaming experience. Expect sharp visuals, excellent color reproduction, and smooth animations. The audio experience is also a key component. Ayaneo usually equips its devices with capable speakers, and we expect clear, impactful sound from the Pocket Play. On the software side, it runs a customized version of Android, likely optimized by Ayaneo to seamlessly integrate the physical controls and potentially offer a dedicated gaming overlay or launcher. This ensures that switching between smartphone and gaming modes is intuitive and efficient. Customization options for the controls or display settings would also be a welcome addition, allowing users to tailor their experience. Let's quickly sum up the Ayaneo Pocket Play. On the pro side, the standout feature is undoubtedly the integrated, slide-out physical gamepad, offering a superior gaming experience over touch controls. Its dual functionality as a full-fledged Android smartphone is also a major plus, consolidating two devices into one. The expected performance for Android gaming is high, and the premium build quality is evident. On the other hand, the device's unique form factor might mean it's slightly thicker or heavier than a standard smartphone. Additionally, while the slider mechanism is innovative, its long-term durability will be a point of interest for some users. So, who should consider the Ayaneo Pocket Play? If you're a mobile gamer who is tired of imprecise touch controls, yearns for the tactile feedback of a physical gamepad, and wants to carry one device that does it all, this is definitely for you. It's a bold and innovative approach to mobile gaming, offering a genuinely enhanced experience. If you appreciate unique design and are looking for a powerful Android device that puts gaming at its forefront without sacrificing smartphone functionality, the Pocket Play warrants serious consideration. That wraps up our initial look at the Ayaneo Pocket Play. We're excited to see how this device evolves. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. We'll catch you in the next one.